Oh, school has started already for today for some of you, and it's starting in a matter of days for the rest of you. So let's get ready, right? The Fox 5i team's Dana Fowle is going to help you get that to-do list started with the ability to tack on some extra savings.
And you can mom it like a rock star here.
Like
That's
that.
what
Yes,
we're going to
indeed.
do. I know the focus is back to school supplies, you know, the books, crayons, glue, that sort of thing. But back to school sales are everywhere and everything is on sale. But try to add extra discounts onto that sale if you can. I use this a lot. It's called Rakuten. It used to be called eBates. You might be familiar with that. Let's say you see something you want on another retailer site. Well, before you buy it, pop over to Rakuten. There's an app, there's a website, sign up. And then you can see the deals they're offering, additional deals. And then you get money back on your purchases. You can see I've gotten almost $74. Look at that up there in the corner for shopping through this site on things I was getting ready to get anyway. Here's another one. Offers.com. You can click on coupons and see if one of these fit what you need. There are countless sites like this. So I've already put the story over on my Facebook page, and I'm hoping you'll talk about the ones you prefer, maybe share some of your ideas. Now, getting ready for school is about more than the clothes and the supplies. It's also about getting them out the door. Start with meal prep. Now, here are 3 ways to get going. Have the kids make a list of what they'd like in their lunches this year. Give them some authority over this, if you will. Plan a shopping day. Decide what you can get now and what you can freeze. And finally, it's time. Yeah, doctors say children 8 to 9 years old can actually pack their own lunches, folks. But you got to help them by having things handy, like the cheese, the hard-boiled eggs, all that ready to roll for the week. And get some snack jars filled up. This eliminates the fighting over what snack they're allowed to have. They get what's in the jar, or maybe sitting there in the bag next to it. Do a little bit here, a little bit there. That way when D-Day arrives, Mom, you're cool, you're ready to go, and Dad's too.
All right, so let me ask you this. Your daughter, does she get to pick out her own clothes? My boys are in uniform, so it's not up for discussion. But what about yours?
She picks out her own clothes. She's terrible at it. She's just kind of, she doesn't care about it. But, so I make her pick things out the day ahead of time.
Okay.
There's no picking clothes out that morning and trying to figure it out at that point. And if it's going to be a busy week, Sunday night, we lay it out for the whole week.
The whole week, really?
Yep,
that's
absolutely.
impressive. So you must be doing the same thing for work. So that is impressive.
I can't do it the morning out, and I can't have that argument in the morning, and I can't say that every morning, this doesn't match, this is dirty, why are you doing this?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Just don't care.
Motherhood tales, right?
Right.
And good information. Thanks so much, Dana.